So I'm trying to choose between the two covers for my latest book. So this one I really like because it has the flowers, and I'm really leaning towards this one. It brings in these colors. I had other artwork from Gentle Eagle, but these are the ones that I picked out of what she was doing. And this is the other one I was thinking about. So right now I'm leaning towards the first one, but I'd really like your opinion. This book should be coming out in a couple days on Amazon, and as soon as I get the title figured out, the cover figured out, I am going to be putting it on Etsy. I think I'm going to run with this one for now, just because it's got more flowers. And it kind of brings in that it's petals and patterns. The whole idea is that they're all influenced by spring. This book has been about 2 years in the works with the drawing, and then getting the cover art. There was some snags, so I ended up having to do the entire cover again. Thank goodness Gentle Eagle stepped up and she helped me out with it. And I don't mind waiting for her artwork. She does beautiful work. But it's, which one? Which one? Help me pick.